To set up Face Unlock on Google Pixel 11, first you want to go to Settings. Here in Settings, we want to scroll down a little bit and go to Security and Privacy. Now over here in Security and Privacy, you should be able to find the Device Unlock option. And then here you might be able to find Setup Face Unlock prompt here, so you can just tap on Setup in this place. But also you can just tap on a Face option in here. And of course, in order to be able to set up the Face Unlock, you need to have a screen lock password. Over here we have a little bit of information about the Face Unlock, so you need to tap on I agree to be able to set it up. And there is also an option to set up the Face Unlock if you have limited vision or limited head motion. So then you can tap on that button and you can enable this option, or you just want to make sure that it is activated. If you actually do not really need to have this option enabled, then naturally it is better to not use it. And let's tap on Start. Now you're gonna see the front camera and you want to position your face inside that frame and follow instructions that you will see on the screen. And there we go. After a couple of seconds, you should be able to be completely done. Over here you can even find the skip lock screen option, which might be useful for some people to have it enabled. Tap on Done. You will see Face Unlock settings, so you can check them out if necessary. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.